Hey, welcome to Charged Up Cook. Today I got something really simple. If you want to impress your friends at a tailgate, a combination that most people probably don't think go together, roasted jalapenos and some fresh blueberry balsamic vinegar. You can also use blackberry. They're both delicious. So first thing we're going to do is get these jalapenos on the Napoleon 500 Pro I have here. Let's make sure you can see them. All right, we're going to let those get happy. All right, I just want to give you a peek at those jalapenos. They're looking really good and toasty. So that's what we're going for. Just totally roast it. Look at that. Just kind of give them a few more minutes, and then we're going to let them cool off, and then we're going to slice them and mix them with the balsamic. All right, I got them off the grill. I got them all sliced up. I'm just going to set them right here so you can see them, and then I'm just going to take some of this balsamic, and we're just going to pour it right over the top. Just like that. Once you get that done, you can just stir it around a little bit. If you can see it, just mix it up. Trust me, give it a try. They're incredible. Oh, you should just smell that. Heat, sweet, perfect.